how to cancel Spotify premium subscription. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply open your Spotify, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, simply tap on the premium icon that you will be able to see on the navigation bar right here, right? So if you have bought your premium, here you'll be able to view your exact plan that you currently have, right? So simply tap on that plan and then you can see the option of change plan. Simply tap on it and then from there you can now scroll down and you can simply pass the premium trial listing until you see the option of a Spotify free. So like I said, after tapping on change plan, scroll all the way down, then tap on Spotify free, then you can tap on cancel premium button. Then from there, all you need to do is proceed through the confirmation screen and then tap on yes, and then you'll be able to cancel it completely. So yeah, after that, your account will actually revert to the free version at your next billing date. And that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that will be it for this video.